To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Swipe up to scroll down. Under Preferences, select Your Time on Facebook. Then tap See Tools under Manage Your Time. You will then see the Sleep Mode option. Tap on it. Now toggle the switch on next to Sleep Mode. By default, Sleep Mode is set from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Tap on it to customize the time. First, tap on Start Time and choose when you want Sleep Mode to begin. Then tap Set. Similarly, tap on End Time. Choose when you want Sleep Mode to end. Then tap Set. Next, select the days you want Sleep Mode to be active. Finally, tap Save to confirm your Sleep Mode settings. From now on, the Sleep Mode will be activated during the set times, and Facebook notifications will be silenced to help you minimize distractions. So that's how you can enable Sleep Mode on Facebook app.